The Honourable Member for Brandon East.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Manitoba families know well the effects of cancer on patients. We know far too well that cancer takes away family members, loved ones, and friends far too often, and that far too many lives are cut short. Cancer is the leading cause of death amongst Manitobans, and we know that vital investments in cancer treatment will save lives. Can the Minister of Health, Active Living, and Seniors please inform the House of our government's commitment to increase funding of cancer drugs for Manitobans?
The Honourable Minister of Health, Seniors and Active Living.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. That is an important question asked by my friend from Brandon East, and it was an honor for me to be at an announcement made by our Premier earlier this afternoon that there would be an additional $4 million provided under Budget 2016 for the intravenous cancer drug program, Madam Speaker. We know, and all Manitobans know, that one of the most devastating things that you can hear is that an individual has cancer. Had the opportunity while we were at Cancer Care to meet with their CEO, Dr. Navitram, and she indicated to us that this funding would be helpful to those who fight this deadly disease. All members stand with those Manitobans who are fighting with cancer. They need to know that they never stand alone, Madam Speaker.